Dear students, this is Dr. Pooja Sharma, Associate Professor in Department of MBA, SGI. Today I will discuss about the venture capital. Venture means the business when anyone starts the business, and capital means whatever the amount incurred in the business. So the venture capital means funds made available for a new business, startups and SMSE means small and medium scale industries enterprises. Venture capital helps entrepreneurs to actuate for scientific ideas and inventions. Means whenever anyone plans to start a new venture, new business, or have an idea to start and a new to introduce a new product or services in the market, so there will be a need of the capital. So whatever the capital incurred in that kind of business which is new, which is unique in nature, so that is known as the venture investment. You here you can just see the venture plus capital means that makes venture capital. Venture means an undertaking involved risk. Capital means amount invested by the businessman. Actually, venture capital represents financial investment in a highly riskier projects. If the idea is new, if the business is new, if the services and products are new for the market, so it may be there will be a high risk. High risk of the customer's preferences, customer will accept or reject, we don't know about that, businessmen don't know about that. So there will be involvement of high risk with the objective of earning high rate of return. So now we'll discuss about the features of venture capital. High risk, as I told you, the product will be new and the business will be new, so there will be high risk. Finance new and rapidly growing companies means the product and the services for the existing company, if they are coming with the new product, so the investment, that kind of investment is known as the venture investment. If it is invested, if the capital is invested in the new product and new services and this existing product coming with the new features in the market, so that kind of investment is known as the venture investment. Long term investment, venture capital financing is a long term investment. Mainly it takes a long term period to encash the investment in securities made by the venture capitalist. Means the purpose of that is to start the business for the long term purpose only. Means it is one of the concept of accounting, and that is going concern concept, so it is based on that. Basically, whenever any amount or any capital invested in business, that the purpose of that is to invest in that particular business for the long term purpose. Participation in management, whenever any businessman or any entrepreneur starts the business or invests the amount, venture capital funds take an active interest in the management of the assisted firm. Means suppose a venture capitalist invests the amount in a certain business, so he'll get the participation in, he can have the right to participate in the management, he can assist the management, he can assist that particular firm in various ways, like in marketing strategy, in financing strategy, in HRM strategy, whatever, how he can help, how a venture capitalist help in that, he will do the help in that particular manner. And one of the most important feature of the venture capital is the objective of the venture capital to get the high return. And for that reason only a venture capitalist take the high risk. Now I'll talk about the establishment of the venture investment. It originated in US in 1958 but got a pace in mid 90s in US. When I'll talk about the India, it was started in 1980s but growth began in 2006. And you can just see that 40% of GDP comes from the SMEs, and venture capital more prompt for SMEs. Means it is one of the ready source or easy source for the SMEs. Boom for growing entrepreneurs, means it helps in venture capital capital basically helps in growing for the a new entrepreneurs or a new business. Growth prospects of the for the service industry. In India, the government has been given some like started number of new financial agencies to serve the increasing needs of the new ventures or new businesses. These includes venture capital scheme of IDBI, venture capital scheme of ICICI, and RCTC and SHCIL. There are the few more companies which are serving to the venture capitalist or to the new entrepreneurs. So this is the one of the way of Indian government, one of the most important step of the Indian government to promote the venture capital in India, or to start the new ventures in India, and to help the entrepreneurs. Now, future prospects of the venture capital in India. It helps in rehabilitation of the sick unit. Basically, the sick unit is those units which are converted, which are regularly facing the loss. So, venture capital firm helps to the sick unit in restarting the business again. It can assist in the transformation of innovative technology based ideas into product and services. It can play an important role in developing the service sector like tourism, health, publishing, etc. So venture capital firms basically or financial agencies basically helps in the new service areas like tourism, health and publishing, which can contribute a lot in the growth of the country. They can provide financial assistance to the establishment, university, technical institute, which is the most important or the foundation of any of the country, because that produce a new entrepreneur, a new like growth that produce a new entrepreneurs for the purpose of the. Here we have discussed about the future prospects of the venture capital, where the new business can be started by the entrepreneurs, where they can take the risk and they get the help from the financial agencies which are providing the venture capital. So, the venture capitalist firm or venture capital corporations is planning a series of new initiatives to boost its cash flow and income level of the new companies, upcoming companies. Now, thank you so much.